Today we are going to expand on troubleshooting and maintenance basis, giving you practical steps to keep your equipment running at peak performance. Whether you're dealing with subtle inconsistency or sudden failures, a proactive approach is key to avoiding costly downtime. When you first notice a drop in performance, perhaps your mixture isn't as uniform as usual, or you hear unusual noises. Start with a thorough visual inspection. Look closely at the rotor and stator for any signs of wear, misalignments or debris. Check for any unusual vibrations or changes in motor performance, as these can be early indicators of problems such as component wear or misalignment. If you suspect a blockage or detect signs of material build-up, stop the mixer immediately. Carefully remove the mixer from service and examine the mixer head and fluid pathways. Look for any accumulation that might be obstructing flow or causing inconsistent mixing. Routine maintenance is your best defense against unexpected failures. Establish a regular maintenance schedule that includes a complete CIP cycle after each production run. Residues not only block the flow, but can also lead to corrosion over time. Along with cleaning, ensure that all moving parts are properly lubricated. Check seals, O-rings and bearings regularly, and replace any worn components before they cause further damage. Monitor the drive unit and control systems equally important. Confirm that the motor is running smoothly and that the speed settings remain accurate. If you detect erratic behavior or fluctuations in speed, it might indicate a calibration issue or a fault in the control system. Small adjustments now can prevent larger issues down the line. Another key aspect is documentation. Keep a detailed log of all maintenance activities and troubleshooting steps you perform. This record will help you identify recurring issues and plan preventive measures more effectively. Noting down observations such as increased noise, changes in mixing time, or variation in product quality can guide you towards the underlying cause and help you track wear and tear of individual components. Consider also having an inventory of recommended spare parts on hand, such as extra seals, bearings, O-rings, and any specialized tool the manufacturer advises for routine checks. This way, if you identify a failing part, you can replace it promptly and avoid unnecessary downtime. Lastly, don't forget the human element. Train your team to recognize early signs of troubles and empower them with the knowledge to carry out basic maintenance tasks. Regular training sessions and refresher courses can ensure that everyone is up to date on best practices. To recap, effective troubleshooting begins with a careful inspection and immediately shut down if any issues are detected. Routine maintenance includes thorough cleaning, proper lubrication, and timely replacement of worn parts. It is vital to prevent costly interruptions. Always monitor your drive units and control system, keep detailed maintenance logs, and ensure your team is well trained. By taking these steps, you maximize the lifespan and performance of your High-Shear mixers. I trust these expanded troubleshooting and maintenance tips provide you with a robust framework to keep your process running smoothly and efficiently. If you have any further questions or require more detailed advice, please do get in touch. Until next time, keep your operation optimized, your equipment well maintained, and your production quality consistently high.